Sam Chang, physical therapist at Bespoke Treatments, New York. We're going to go over the bridge today. This is a great exercise to start working your posterior chain strength, so meaning your glutes and hamstrings. So starting out by laying on the floor, we'll have both knees bent, the feet hip width apart. You'll want to cross your arms over your chest from this position and push through your feet. Lift those hips in the air just until they're nice and straight. You should feel glutes and hamstrings working right now to help you in this movement, and come on down back to the floor. To make this exercise a little bit easier, you can place your hands on the floor just to give a little bit more assistance. Try this move out for 3 sets of 10 to start and increase the volume as needed.